Hello and welcome to LearnAakash. As we know, we are learning CCNA. So let's start with OSI model and TCP IP model. So let's start CCNA. So we have already covered what is networking and concepts of LAN and WAN, and today we are going to cover OSI model and TCP IP model and data transport in networking. So let's have a look. What is OSI model, Open System Interconnection Model, and TCP IP model, Transmission Communication Protocol and Information Protocol model. So we can see that in OSI model we have 7 layers from physical data link, network, transport, system, presentation and application. So as we have in TCP IP model we have only 4 layers, that is called network access, internet, transport and application. As we can see here, network access is equal to physical and data link layer, and internet is network and transport is transport, and in application we can see their session, presentation and application. So these are the TCP IP protocols. So HTTP, DNS, DHCP, FTP and many more other protocols fall in application. So TCP and UDP in transport, IP, ICMP in internet. So point-to-point protocol or PPP, frame relay, Ethernet in network access. So our OSI model is a reference model. So we try to make any network device using our OSI model, our reference model. But our actual model is TCP IP model. Every device follows TCP IP model. So you can see your OSI model. You can just learn the definitions from here. What applications layer and what other layers do. The application layer controls protocols used for process-to-process communication. So this is used for process-to-process communication. So similarly, presentation is used to provide the common representation of the data. Session is used for the services to the presentation layer. Transport is used to service to segment, transfer and reassemble the data. Network is used to access the individual pieces of data, and data link is used to describe methods for accessing data frames, and physical is just for physical connections of hardware or something like that, network devices, any network devices. So our TCP IP model, application represents data to the user plus encoding and dialog control, and our transport is that supports communication between various devices across diverse network. So these are very important model, and internet just determines the best path to the network, and network access, that means the control hardware. Now it's time to learn data transfers and networking. So data encapsulation, how data is encapsulated. So here we see that message segmentation and PDU. So data is a very large, that's why we segment it to the chunk pieces of data. So we just segment it, and another one is PDU, protocol data unit. What is protocol data unit? So here we can see the encapsulation processes. When you send the data, it is encapsulated. So the firm data piece of data takes at any layer is called protocol data unit. And let's see the PDU. So the data segments, packets, frames and bits are the PDU at its layer. So at application layer the PDU is data, and for presentation and session layer as well the PDU is data, and for transport it's a segment, for network it's packets, for data link it's frames, and for physical it's a bit. Actually your MAC address is assigned in data link layer, and your IP address is assigned in network layer. Transport layer is used to carry the information. Here you can see that physical, timing and synchronization bits, data link for destination and source physical address, which means the MAC address, and for network you can see destination and source physical address, that is IP address, and transport, destination and source process number, ports. So transport is for ports, and application is encoded application data is just the data. So our next topic is network access, which we'll learn in our upcoming videos. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.